What's up, beautiful people? Today we're gonna be talking about 5 things you can do now and places you can go right now to get started. So if you're interested, stay tuned. So as the topic suggests, 5 things you can do right now and places where you can go as of right now, 2020, to get started. But first, let's talk about what's going on and where you at. 2020 has started off to be a very hard and rough year starting out. We came into 2020 thinking that this would be the year where we thrive, where we succeed in every single step of our endeavors. But it seems like it's not like that. Due to what's going on right now, a lot of persons are out of a job as of right now. A lot of persons are home because of curfew or because they are in a state where, because they lost their jobs, they can't do nothing. A lot of persons now are homeless, are on the verge of being homeless. A lot of persons right now don't know if tomorrow they will have a roof over their heads or a hot meal to eat. A lot of persons are right now in the uncertain. So here at Vibes, we want to help. So here's 5 things you can do right now and places you can go to get started. So the first site I'm going to share with you guys is called transcribeme. This is a transcription site where you can translate audio into English or translate written writing words into audio. It's either or either, but it's a source where you transcribe things and get paid. I am not going to go in very detailed depths about this site because I spoke about it in a previous video. So if you want to know more detail about this site, please check out this video, or it'll probably be over here, wherever. Check out it. I'll also put a link in the description so you guys can just click on the link instead of searching for it yourself and go straight to it, sign up and get started. And the second site I'm going to share with you is called Lemore Transcriptionists. This is also a transcription website where, as I said before, you transcribe audio into written English or you transcribe written English into audio. Whichever way they want you to do it, you do it and get paid. And this is not a by hour paid job. It's more like a task given paid job. So if you want to know more details about this also, you can also check out the video. I'll also leave it in the description so you guys can get it. Also, if you like any additional information about every single thing that I'm talking about right here, you can comment in the comment section and let's talk about it as a family. Also, if you like this video and to keep YouTube algorithm happy, click on the like button, subscribe, also click the bell notification so you know exactly when new videos arrive. With that said, let's go to number 3. So the third one we have here is called Fiverr. And this is a site that has been around for a very long time. With Fiverr now, this is a perfect opportunity for many persons who had a skill, who were employed to certain organization and now unemployed or now have to stay at home. Here you can sell your services depending on what you can do. So at first, you can either be an audio technician, you can be sorry about that. You can be a teacher, you can be someone who is good at writing, somebody is good at posting things on social media. Whatever you can do, there's a place on Fiverr where you can sell yourself. So it's pretty simple. Just go on the site. You can go on the site and check out other videos on the site and see what you can do, or you can go on the site and sign up to be a part of that organization. When you're a part of that organization, you're going to create a profile, then After you create your profile, then you tell them what type of gig you want to sell, and then you probably give some examples of past project that you did, if you can, and get started. And the fourth one we have here is called QKidz. Well, now QKidz, as you hear the name mentioned, it's about kids. This is a teaching program where you're going to teach kids English or other additional subjects. You don't have to be qualified as a major teacher, but if you're qualified, then that is a very big plus for you. You go on this site, sign up. After you sign up, as every site, they're going to send you a notification, tell you what you need to do, and if you succeed in doing what they tell you to do, then you're going to go to the next stage where you get employed. This site pays a very large amount of money, so if you happen to get through, then good luck for you. I also talk about this in a previous video too. I talk about this in a previous video, so you can go and check out that video too. And these videos that I'm sharing with you guys, you don't have to absorb all the information yourself. You can share it. Share it on your smartphone, share it on your Facebook site, share it to friends, family, who you think would be beneficial to this video also. So the fifth one we have here is called Working Solution. Working Solution is a company where you do a lot of specific work. I'm not going to go in details in the ins and outs of this also, just to give you an idea where you can be as of right now. I talk about this in a previous video, so you can check it out and see me go into depth and show you exactly all you need to go from point A to point B to succeed in this particular journey. With that said, let's talk about you. I know right now depression is a very major factor in terms of what's going on right now. Many people right now, or even you right now, might be depressed, might be down, feeling down. Just know that, look, you are special. You are great. You are the first sperms to reach an egg. That makes you special. And just always remember, everything in life happens for a purpose. We don't know what the purpose is as of right now, but eventually we'll know. You got greatness in you. You have something special. What you can do every single day is uplift yourself. Try to uplift yourself. Don't wait on an individual to uplift you. Try and uplift yourself. And with everything, you put God first. So with that said, wrapping up, remember to subscribe to this channel. Remember, we bring out new videos every single week. And if you don't see me bring out a video, then I will tell you guys why I didn't. Because in this particular time, I haven't been uploading as much as I used to because of this pandemic and because I have to move. Lots of family issues. But I think I have that sorted out right now, so you guys will be getting more videos of me. So remember to subscribe, remember to like this, and remember to click the bell icon so you do not miss out any single thing that I put out. Also remember to share this with your friends and your families, and comment in the comment section and let me know what is going on with you. By the way, let me know where you guys are from. Where are you from? Just name where you're from in the comment section. So I'll go first. I am from Jamaica, West Indies, where you have Bob Marley, you have Usain Bolt, and the great Merlin Hattie. We all come from the same country. You have Damian, Junior Marley, Ziggy Marley. You're all here. So tell me something about your country that makes your country great. Tell me something about you that makes you great in the comment section. With that said, remember, always save, build, inspire.